Casey, I know you've been out there searching and searching for a deal that you can't beat. But what we're doing now is we are introducing your deal of the week.
That's right. The deal of this week is buying down your interest rate by 1%, such as on your 2010 Volkswagen Jetta. If you qualify for 3.9% financing, we'll get you qualified for 2.9% financing.
Big savings.
Stay late model on a 2011 Dodge Caliber. This vehicle is also going to have the interest rate bought down by 1%. That's going to be zero down, $173 a month. Save over $2,000.
And I got to tell you, this has got to be the biggest deal. We've been talking about big deals and good deals. This has got to be a hit right here.
Our certified pre-owned program on the Mazda gives you a 100,000-mile warranty and 0.9% financing. And when we buy that down, you're paying 0%, folks. Free money.
Zero.
So you have to
That's
take
right.
advantage of this vehicle.
What you need to do is log on to rayauto.com every week and check out the deal of the week.
We're looking for a deal we can't beat.
Haven't found one yet?